You about to hurt. Okay. All my homies in the street and they dying. I don't care, I ain't shed no tears, no crying. Because I'm a real nigga, keep it 100. If I show feelings then I'ma be stuntin'. And I'm out in the streets and I hustle hard. Do it every day, I'm just a bodyguard who be on his job and he's getting robbed. Well, he's doing robbing, just like Batman Robin, and everybody knows that they dead in a fucking coffin. And then they wake up in the morning and they fucking coughing. They're leaving oxygen. They out they fucking mind. They out they fucking brain. I think I'm getting mines, getting mines. You ain't getting shit. You's a fucking bitch. Suck my dick. You were just a fucking hypocrite. So you can go somewhere else. You can go do something. I don't really give a fuck. I ain't even hunting for your bitch ass, cause you are so ugly. Please get out my fucking face, cause you are so busty. Ugly ass hoe, don't know what you working with. Me either, you ain't gotta ask what you working with. Let me try to tell you something that I never heard before. Any fucking day I get a hoe, Mobo.